As far as the markets go, there are changes that stockbrokers can expect. Now, the markets regulator SEBI has notified revamped stockbroker regulations that replace the nearly 3-decade-old 1992 rules for them. So the new framework is going to allow brokers to undertake other regulated financial activities under defined conditions, also easing compliance and modernizing all kinds of oversight. But let's get more details on this. And for that, my colleague Ridhima Bhatnagar is joining us on the phone line. So what kind of changes can stock brokers expect, Ridhima?
So key change that the stockbrokers are now allowed to undertake other regulated financial activities, but with stricter riders. These activities will continue to be governed by respective regulators such as the RBI, IRDAI or IFSCA, and brokers must maintain clear segregation of businesses to avoid conflict of interest or regulatory arbitrage. SEBI has also clarified that brokers can provide only incidental investment advice linked to broking and cannot function as a full-fledged investment advisor unless separately registered. On underwriting, brokers can participate using their own funds, but the total exposure is capped at 20 times net worth, with no earnings beyond agreed commissions. The regulator has also strengthened the safeguards by expanding the definition of suspicious activities to include KYC-related and trading fraud, while retaining the strict norms on client fund segregation and governance. So these rules were announced, which replaced the 1992 framework, and they are, as you rightly said, aimed at simplifying compliance, modernizing rules, and aligning broker regulation with today's digital and multi-product market. Overall, the new rules will ease the doing of business for brokers without diluting investor protection, and SEBI is expected to issue further circulars on implementation in the coming days.
Fair enough, Ridhima. These are the kind of changes that stockbrokers can expect. And like you said, this is a bid by SEBI to modernize those rules and simplify them as well. And the ease of doing business for brokers now under consideration under these new rules. Thanks very much for bringing us up to speed.